Most Indian women have at least one sari in their wardrobe for that special event or function to give a desi vibe. And if you don't have one, then I think you should own one because you never know, it can be a savior in need. It can be brought or gifted or your mother's, grandmother's, sister's, doesn't matter. The old your sari is, the classic it gets. And you can always add your own style statement by changing the drape style, by using accessories, or by pairing it up with your kind of blouses. And that brings me to my today's topic of the video. Friends, if blouse is your only concern for wearing a sari, because you need to rush to the tailor to alter your mother's or sister's blouses to wear it, even if you didn't like the design, then there is a solution to your problem in my today's video. I'll be talking about my favorite color of blouses that you should have in your wardrobe, and most, I think I should tell you, at least 90% of your problems are solved. If you are interested in this topic, then do watch my video. Hi friends, my name is Sarika Shetty and welcome to my channel. Before I talk about my favorite color of blouses, there are few things I would like to inform you here. Firstly, whenever you're going in for essentials or must have, choose the design that is evergreen and classic. Never go as per fashion because fashion keeps changing. Second would be the sleeves of the blouses. Sleeves of the blouses should be the ones that you are comfortable in. It can be any short sleeves, sleeveless, halter neck, full sleeves. That totally depends upon what you are comfortable in wearing or carrying it for the entire day, carrying the sari for the entire day. Third is the shade of the blouse. Now, for example, my favorite color is green. There are various shades of green available, so you have to select which is the green color, which is the shade in green that you reach out to very often. So shade is also very important. The most important thing is also the fabric of the blouse. Choose the fabric that you are comfortable in. Again, there are various fabrics available in the market like cotton, silk, brocade. There are many. If possible, you feel the fabric before you purchase it. Lastly, friends, the blouses that I'll be showing in my video are, or the colors that I'll be talking about, are my favorite color of blouses. It can be same for you and it may not be same for you. So you are your own judge. You have to decide what should be in your must-have color of the blouses list. And with this note, let's start our video on my favorite colors in blouses. First on my list is a red color blouse. Now earlier red was associated with just wedding and wedding related trousseau, but in 21st century fashion has altogether taken a different turn. You can pair your red color blouse for that contrast look that you've always wanted, and instantly your often repeated saris will have a upliftment of your looks and your mood also. Do try it out yourself if you do not believe me. I have few red color blouses. This is the one that I reach out to very often. This came with a sari, and this is the lace I got separately and got it stitched. It's a simple red color blouse. The other one that also I got with the sari, but I did not put the lace because in that way I can pair it up with many saris. This is a simple short sleeves blouse, and the one in brocade, you can have something like this also stitched if you want. This goes well with your cotton and silk saris both. My second favorite color is black color blouses. I have made an entire video on how important a black color blouse is. Though that video is not so great on quality, but my thoughts are exactly the same. If you want, I'll link it in the description box below. You can check them out. In a nutshell, black is the color that blends with most of the colors. It suits all skin types and it will never go out of fashion. There are various kinds of black blouses that you can opt for. The ones that I reach out to very often is this. It's very simple with a deep back, and the second one that I reach out to very often is this one. This is with the mirror sweetheart neck, and this is the black blouse. This one is also the one that I reach out to very often. There are others also which you can look out for. One is this halter neck ready-made blouse that I brought from I think Flipkart. I'll link it in the description box below. If you want, you can check it out. This is also a kind of black blouse, but it's brocade. This is, and the last one is this crop top. If you do not want to stitch a blouse, you can get something like this, which will also go with which will work as good as any blouse. Third on my list is a gold color blouse. Now gold is a color which is very classy, very traditional. It goes with many saris like ruffle sari, party wear saris, kasavu saris, silk saris, or any sari which has a gold detailing going on like lace and embroidery. But choose the gold wisely, because if you're planning to wear a lot of silk sari, invest in a gold which pairs with your silk sari, then that gold is different from your zari gold or your party wear saris gold. Like for example, I have a blouse here. This pairs well with kasavu sari, but this is not the gold that you can wear with your silk sari. Now silk sari gold is this. So it looks the same, but when you see it closely, it's a little different. So choose your gold color wisely. I have another gold which again goes with kasavu saris and all the party wear saris. This is the pattern of my blouse. So choose your gold color wisely depending upon why or which sari that you are planning to use your gold color blouse. Fourth on my list is a multicolor blouse. I am inclined more towards a solid and plain color saris. Fabric doesn't matter. If it's plain, then I automatically gravitate towards it, just for the fact that I can pair it up with my multicolor blouse. Now I have a blouse here. This is a Kutch work blouse. Now there are a lot of colors going on it, like green, purple, red, yellow, dark green. But I can pair this also with red color saris, maroon color saris, white, black. So I can pair this up with most of the saris that I have. Also over the years, since I'm wearing saris for a pretty long time, I have also collected few more multicolor blouses. One is this. This is a cotton silk material. And the recent purchase of mine is this multicolor blouse. This is also very beautiful, and this also I can pair it up with most of the solid color saris. Lastly on my list is a printed blouse. Now there are variety of printed blouse available like Ajrak, Kalamkari, Indigo, Bandhani, Akola. You can choose from any of these. It gives you a nice slimming look if you wish to have one, and you can pair it up with saris like cotton silk, crepe, georgette, chiffon. You can pair it up with any kind of saris. And two blouse pieces in print that I have is this. This is the Akola printed blouse piece with the gold zari. It's a very simple high neck blouse, and I can pair it up with many saris. And this, which is again very much in fashion these days, are the Kalamkari printed blouse pieces. This also goes well with cotton saris that you can pair with. I hope you enjoyed this video on my favorite color of blouses. In my next video, I'll be talking about the sari which is pride of Odisha, and that is Nua Patna sari. If you are interested in knowing more about it, then you have to stay connected with me by subscribing to my channel. And in the meantime, if you are interested in different views of our country, you can check these two videos of mine. I'm sure you're going to love it. That's all, my friends, for my today's video. We'll meet you all super soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.